Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through Sass nested rules and properties. Sass lets you nest CSS selectors in the same way as HTML. And for this video I'm going to use Visual Studio Code as my code editor, and if you need to learn more about VS Code you can watch my VS based videos and find the links in the description below. Moreover, I'm also going to be using this index.html. There's nothing fancy in it, just a very basic HTML document, and let me show you what we have in this document. So this is index.html, and since we are using Sass, let's start Sass package and NODEJS. Let's type in here Sass -- watch SCSS / style.scss, and also mention the CSS file, which is css / style.css. By the way, if you get stuck somewhere, it's a continuation of my Sass based series, so do watch my previous video. And hit enter, and the package is started. Now let's add a couple of tags here. I'm gonna have nav, and inside nav I'm gonna have an ordered list, and here I'm gonna add a couple of list items. Let's copy it a couple of times, and I'm also gonna give it I'll just type in here anchor tag. Let's type here hash and give here some text. Hit save and see what we have right now. So this is our navigation bar, and let's remove these items, and I'm gonna copy it a couple of times and hit save. Alright, that looks perfect now. Let's drop it down and open our style.css. See, we don't have anything here, style.css. Now let's open style.scss, get rid of it, and I'm gonna nest here a couple of tags. Say nav curly braces, and here I'm gonna nest an ordered list curly braces, and type in here margin 0, next line padding to be 0, and list style to be none. I'm also gonna nest here our list items curly braces, and I'm also gonna nest here our anchor tags curly braces. Let's style our list items first. Set it to display inline block, and let's come in here and type display. It should be block, next line padding to be 6 pixels and 12 pixels, and I'm gonna give it another property, which is text decoration set to none. Hit save, and first see that our style.css has been updated. And this is how CSS handles all this styling. We have to use nav 3 times here, but since we are using Sass, so we can nest the styling as well. Now let's see what we have here. So this is our navigation bar. Now let's talk about nested properties. You can also nest properties. Let's come in here and type, let me get rid of it first, and I'm gonna add here a couple of variables, say $my background, or leave it for now. Let's type in here body and curly braces and type in here background color to be, say, green yellow, and color would be, say, text color would be Indian red, and I'm gonna give here font, and let's nest couple of properties here. I forgot to type here colon. Let's come to the next line and type in here family colon, say the family would be Helvetica, comma sans dash serif. And why it shows me this error? Let's go to font colon family colon this comma, save. Let's see our body font family. Yes, it's all working pretty fine. Unknown property family. Alright, let's avoid it for now, and let's go to the next line and type in here size to be 1M, semicolon, add semicolon here as well. Next line, I'm gonna give it a weight colon bold semicolon, and I'm also gonna nest text here colon curly braces, and I'm gonna align it to the center semicolon, and also transform it to lowercase LOWERCASE lowercase, and hit save and see what we have in our style.css. So this is how CSS handles all these properties of CSS. If you typed that in CSS, you would type font 1, 2 and 3 times. Since we have used style.css, so we can nest all of the properties of font here. It also, if you are using Visual Studio Code, it also gives you some information about shorthand property for setting font style. And that was all about nesting selectors and properties. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.